I used to own a Ram ProMaster. One of the major reasons why I upgraded is my old RV hit 80,000 miles. It was on the Pennstar motor, which was super slow and very hard to work on, and I just didn't want to spend any more money on it. So I upgraded to the Ford Transit Trail, which has a 3.5 EcoBoost motor and is a day and night difference and so much faster. So I happened to notice there isn't any YouTube videos of actual owners with the Thor Talavera 1920, except for dealerships doing walkthroughs. So I decided to post a video of my dog and I going to the Oregon coast. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more videos like this, and feel free to ask any questions because I'm not sponsored by any dealership. Kawasaki is ready to go to the beach. We have arrived at Lincoln City. Arrived at the beach. This looks really cool. I've never seen this before. Hand sanitizer and a little doggy bag. But yeah, let's head out to the beach. Go, Kawasaki. Probably one of my favorite features about this RV is this couch, man. Get to chill on this couch. Look at this view. Dang. Cooking up some dinner. Awesome view. Awesome view in the van. Kawasaki's kicking it. What's up, buddy? Warming up some dinner. This is awesome. Just microwave some chicken bowl. I like to mix Doritos. Bam! There's dinner. And awesome view. Absolutely stunning out here. Now, being the van life, we're gonna have to try to find a spot to crash for the night. Let's see, I'm guessing for a good spot. Hopefully it's a legal spot, but who knows? I'm seeing a bunch of random vans that are parked on the side of the road here, but it's just so close to the highway. I don't want to park that close to the highway, but look at that view. Just beautiful trees. a spot. This is the view on my bed. Got the windows cracked open slightly. Falling asleep to that. Sounds awesome. I am very close to the 101, but there isn't many cars passing on the 101, so not bad. This van just pulled up right next to me. I don't know, he's just kind of close. Oh, you can't really see. This guy's really parked really close to me, but if a car's coming southbound, it's gonna hit this van first, so that's pretty mean to me to say, but yeah, Kawasaki and I are just hanging out on the couch. I need to go outside and take a piss, but I can't beat that sound, man. Besides the highway. I mean, in the last 5 minutes, I think that was the only car that's driven past here, so I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Morning. Can't beat that view. Wow. Also can't beat that sound. Oh, cold. Kawasaki woke me up like at 6 to go pee. Yeah. I have to say, this van is awesome. Dream van for sure. Drives, the motor's very responsive. I haven't had any issues with the quality of Thor yet. It's been awesome so far. Alright, buddy. Oh, Kawasaki woke me up, but let's see here. I was charging my phone and ran the refrigerator. Let's see what the percentage is. It was 100%. 83. Dang. You know, a part of me thinks that thing on the roof is sucking up some power. Drop Kawasaki down. There you go, buddy. What's that wave thing? Or it's like, yeah, I'm not sure, but let's feed Kawasaki some breakfast. I'm gonna run the drone real quick. I'm calling it. Some tourists already starting to pile up. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. As I mentioned before, there aren't many owner-made videos of this van out there, so if you'd like to see more content like this, just let me know. I'm happy to share things I love, things I don't, any tips before you buy. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks again.